Good day, my name is Johanna Patrick V. Lorete. In this video, I'm going to recite the duration of penalties in Article 27 of Revised Penal Code. This is my right ear and my left ear. Reclusion perpetua, 20 years and 1 day to 40 years. Reclusion temporal, 12 years and 1 day to 20 years. Prison mayor, temporary absolute or special disqualification, 6 years and 1 day to 12 years. Prison correctional, suspension, or destierro, 6 months and 1 day to 6 years. Arresto mayor, 1 month and 1 day to 6 months. Arresto menor, 1 to 30 days.